up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do my baby's nursery tour. Yay! I'm so excited to show you guys how this turned out. I'm very happy with it. I mean, there's still things that I probably will be adding as time goes, but for now it's good as it is. He doesn't really use this room. He sleeps with us in our room in his bassinet, and the only reason why it took me so long to film this video is because we've been waiting on his mattress. We ordered his mattress from Macy's and they never delivered it to us. Customer service was terrible. Like, they just didn't know what was going on, and I kid you not, we literally just got our money back for that like 3 weeks ago. So I just decided, you know what the heck, he doesn't really use his crib, his nursery's decorated. Let's just show what it is that I did with this place and how I store all of his items in this room. So what I like about my baby's nursery is that this was very inexpensive to do, in my opinion. I think that, you know, nurseries get very expensive. People try to, you know, get like the latest and most amazing things, and yeah, it's nice, but they don't really know, you know, what's going on around the room, and it's really easy to decorate and not spend a lot of money. So the reason why I want to show you guys how like I did this is to give you guys ideas. I've watched a ton, I kid you not, like a ton of baby nursery videos to get ideas, and everybody was spending like hundreds and hundreds of dollars on these items that I felt were kind of like unnecessary. And I'm just gonna give you guys like ideas and inspiration on how you can get a beautiful room without spending so much money. In my opinion, I feel like, hey, you need the money for diapers, you need the money for wipes, you need the money for clothes. Babies get so expensive that a nursery shouldn't be like your #1 priority. I mean, but if you can, go for it by all means. Spend the money. It is your baby and it is your life. So that is just what I personally think. So let's just get started with this video. Alright, so we're going to start with an overview of the room. This is what the room looks like from the doorway. And let's just start with the basic, the rugs. So these rugs, we had purchased them for other rooms. This one is from Home Depot, this one's from Kohl's, and that one's from Ross. This one's like $15. This one I got on sale and I paid like $15. And then that one was like $15 as well. So you can find cute rugs, and if you can't find, you know, an extravagant rug, which I couldn't for cheap, all the like really nice rugs with boho styles were so expensive, you can do this trick and do layer rugs. It makes the room look very boho-ish, and you can just get a jute rug which ties the theme in together, and then just get your basic rugs. That one's actually really soft, and I bought it specifically for under his baby gym, but I'll get to that later. On this side I have his crib. This crib was a gift from my parents. I asked for a neutral color because, again, I did go with neutral vibes in the boho theme, so a neutral crib was an essential thing for the room. This is a blanket that was gifted to him by one of Vico's co-workers. It has his name and his date of birth. Now inside, obviously the mattress would go there, but we have no mattress because Macy's suck sometimes. But here we have 2 pillows. This one was actually from the dollar store, and that one was on clearance. Not the dollar store, the dollar section at Target, and that one is on clearance at Target. The teddy bear was also at Target. I think out of all of these, the teddy bear was the most expensive, and that was only $12. I paid $5 for that, and I think I paid like $10 for that one, and I had to get it because it's green. Above the crib I have this. Very simple, very minimal, which I love, but then again, it's boho. I have those 2 frames, this one and this one from Hobby Lobby, and this middle thing, I actually made it. It's very cheap to, you know, buy yarn and some sticks. I got them from Joann's. I think I spent like a total of $5, and I was able to make 2 macrame wall hangings out of them. And for the wall, you know, I know wallpaper is super expensive, so I got these wall decals from Amazon. They were only like 15 bucks, and they were so perfect, and it was easy to put on. It gave me a statement wall, and I love how this came out. Very simple, but then again, it was perfect and exactly what I wanted. I'll link everything down below, just an FYI, if I can find it, just so you guys, if you guys like it and you guys want to buy it yourselves, you guys can. On this corner on the side of the crib, I decided to go, again, simple too. This is from Hobby Lobby. It was cheap. It was 50% off. And then I got a plant and a basket. The basket's from IKEA. That blanket, I got it on sale from Kohl's. It's green and has reindeer on it. For the plant, DIY right here, another DIY. This was one of those orange pots. They're like $5 at Walmart. All I did was paint it. I looked up boho vases on Pinterest and I got an idea of what design I wanted to paint on it, and that's what I did. The gold plant holder was also from Walmart, $5, and the plant is from Walmart. This was like $17. And again, ties in the room together. I really liked how that little corner came out, and that's just how this side of the room looks like. So for my curtains, I'm going to record down here because it's too bright. They're from Marshall's. If you guys can tell, it has like a texture to it, and again, it gives that boho vibe to the room. And on top, I bought this from Hobby Lobby. It was like $5 because again, 50% off on sale. Super cute cactuses in buffalo. And this thing, my husband found at the 99-cent store for like $3, and he bought it, and I just thought it was really cute. It goes with the room, so I just hung it on there just to, you know, add something to the curtains. On this wall, we decided to go with some shelves. The shelves are from Home Depot. Again, very inexpensive. The handles are like $3 and the shelves are like $5 each. And for the shelves, the best thing to do is go to Marshall's, Ross, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. That's where you'll find like the cheapest things to put on shelves. I actually found all the vases. So that one, this little one, that one, and that one at Marshall's. The cactus is from Hobby Lobby, 50% off. The two signs are from what is it, Ross, and that's from Target, and that's from Target dollar section, and this was on sale. This is another DIY. As you can see, I love DIYs. That's my husband's hand, my hand, and eventually we're gonna put the baby's hand on there when he's able to extend his hand fully, and obviously an E for his name. Again, that's from the craft store for $1. Under the shelves, it's this little toy section. So I got that wooden chest from Target and that horse from Walmart. Inside, obviously, just has his toys. We've been buying him toys. A lot of the stuffed animals were just gifted, and so he has those there. And he has this baby gym. Another DIY. I didn't make this. My dad actually made this for me. I was not going to spend $40 to $60 when I know I have like a handyman of a dad to make it for me. So thank you, Dad. The baby loves it. He spends hours on here just to play with this little ball things. And I said I was going to come back to the rug. I got this rug because you can see the texture is very soft. So the baby can lay on it and it's comfortable. On the side, I have this cube thing. This was gifted to me from my wedding registry, actually. So I've been having this for a couple of years now. Obviously, I was going to save money and use it on here as the baby's dresser. So I just bought, you know, new boxes. I got the green ones from Target and these ones from IKEA. The books are in the middle just to add more of a decor. And that's the other side of the mountain thing that I had on the shelf, again from Target. Now for organization, I have all of his pants and PJs on these two and his shirts on this one. Now the ones that he fits on are on top, the ones that he doesn't fit on are on the bottom. Same goes with this side. And here I have all of his beanies, socks, and mittens and bibs and all of that. On top of the cube thing, I have a plant. The plant holder's from Marshall's. The plant's from Walmart. This was gifted to him from his uncle, my sister's boyfriend. This is a letter board. Believe it or not, we got this from the 99-cent store and it works, you know, just the way it's supposed to, and it was only like $6. This is the elephant we bought for his ultrasound. It does this little heartbeat. And this little basket's from the 99-cent store. And here I just have like all of like random little stuff. Teethers, nose things, this little toy blanket that's supposed to be for him. Now, something that I'm doing with this, I don't know if you guys noticed on my Instagram, the letter board, I put updates and like milestones that we've noticed through his, you know, age. So for 2 months, that's when he gave us his first smile and started to do like baby talks, and we're always gonna do like favorite things that we've noticed that he likes. He right now loves high contrast images, so we can put on videos, or he has this high contrast book and can stare at that for hours. He loves his baby gym and he loves mornings. He wakes up so early and is the happiest, smiliest baby in the morning. It's ridiculous because I like to sleep, but my baby loves it, so we give him the time and the love that he needs. On the side, I have this rocking chair in a basket. Another hack to save money here is I got this chair on OfferUp. I looked and looked and looked to find a chair that I liked. I wanted to go with this style of a rocking chair, again, to go with the theme, minimal and boho. This was $15, you guys. I was not gonna spend like 200 bucks on a rocking chair. I used this a lot when he was first born because I was learning to breastfeed, so sitting is the best way to learn and establish that. So I had this in my room actually for like the first month. Now that we got the hang of it, I just breastfeed in the bed, and I come here during the day when he wants to be rocked because he loves it. So I do use this a lot. And a hack to make this look cute, obviously wash it, you can paint it. I didn't paint it because it matched my crib, so I like left it like that. But this pillow thing was so ugly. All I did was buy some fabric from Joann's and I hot glued gun it to the pillow. So I mean, I could have gone with the green, but I decided to just do a neutral because I did not know what kind of pillow I wanted. I found this one at Target. I paid full price for it. I just really, really liked it, and I had to get it for his room. On the side, I have this basket from IKEA, and in there I have all his swaddles and blankets. Not all of them, just some of them, because again, you know, just to grab when I'm breastfeeding. And for the wall, this is the other macrame wall hanging that I made with that yarn and sticks that I bought from Joann's. This one's a little different. I just have braided the middle just to add more texture to it, and it's longer and it came out so cute. And on this side I have another sign from Hobby Lobby. Obviously it says that I got the best little boy in the world, and I think I did. Personally, because you know, I'm his mom and I just love him so much, so I had to get that sign. Yeah, and that's just how this side of the room looks like. So that is the whole room, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. It's very, very, very simple, but I personally think it looks really cute. Now, to show you guys the closet, just because I said I was going to show you guys how I organized everything, it's not cute. This thing was gifted to us in the baby shower, but I think you can find them at Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, maybe even like Walmart. But it's an organizer. On top I have all of his bath stuff, and here I have all of his burp cloths, diapers, wipies, and towels. So it's really, really good and convenient to keep this here and have everything like easy to grab. So I love, love, love that I was gifted. On top I have extra diapers because I got a lot of diapers, but look at, we're down to just the box and a bag. Well, actually that bag he doesn't fit into anymore. He's in size 2 right now, so just the box left. This is a blanket my dad got him, another blanket that's really big my dad got him, his shower thing. On the other side of the closet is where I keep his clothes. So his clothes are, you know, in order from smallest to biggest. This is just the clothes that I needed to hang, like shirts or button-ups. Everything else is folded. So this is the stuff that he can fit on. This is, he can't fit yet, he's too small. Under I have his dirty hamper thing, and here I have more clothes. I put his newborn stuff in there that he doesn't fit anymore, and on top it's all the stuff that he's gonna fit on when he's like 12 months and older. I bought this shoe rack from Target, and it has all of his shoes. Sadly my baby has tiny feet still and he can't wear any. We tried to put these on for Mother's Day because like saw my picture and they kept falling off, but soon he's getting there. He's growing. And then on top of the closet on this side I have this box, and this box has like my baby carrier thing and extra bibs, and has his mattress sheets. It just basically has just extra stuff. And yeah, that's it. That's the whole closet. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this gave you guys some inspiration, some ideas on how you can save money and decorate and make something look really nice without spending a whole bunch of money. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!